And welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you super easy way of growing lettuce in a hot climate. Apparently this works, and it's only made from gutter and a few 1,000-litre tubs. Let's get started and show you what to do to the gutter. And welcome back to the excitement that is me growing stuff in pots. Hoorah. And Benji is helping yet again. We're going to drill holes in this. We're not going to measure it. We're going to use one of these diamond drill bits, which is designed for glass because we have lots of aquariums. But we're going to use it for plastic. Let's drill some holes. Benji's not terribly impressed that we didn't measure them. But look, it worked. It's fine. They may not be like OCD, but it's all good. Isn't it, Benji? There's your tail. Now we're going to do stuff. I tried to tidy up, but it didn't really work. So now I've got my holes drilled. Instead of using pots, and I use these little mesh pots in my strawberry aquaponics system, which is going really well, by the way. If you haven't seen that video, it'll be at the end of this video. I'm going to use foam instead, and all the foam's going to do is just hold the plants in place. So if I cut a weird shape with a little slit in it and gently push it into there, I reckon that's all I need to do. With the ends as well, I've got little elbowy things, so I'm going to sort of glue them to the side. I'm going to join both of these up. Probably just use sticky tape, something weird like that. We're going to cut a hole out of this, and then we're going to get our lettuce. That is my random bits that I've cut. Okay, they are not in any type of order, but the whole idea, as I said, is they're just going to squish in there loosely, and they've got the little slit for the lettuce. Here are my lettuce. Don't ask me what type of lettuce they are. They're just lettuce. Hopefully they will grow. There's a mixture of ones that look like lettuce and then a mixture of things that don't look like lettuce. Or maybe that's what lettuce looks like when it's little. I have no idea because I've never really grown lettuce before. I did try a couple of months ago, but because it's so warm here in the tropics, it did not work. This is going to work. So we're going to wash the dirt off the roots of these. We're going to attach them onto that. We're going to rig this one up to the other one, and we're going to plumb it into our fish tanks. And this is all I've done. So the little slit there, I have the lettuce there. Pretty sure it's okay like that. I think you just have to have the little head, the lettuce head just above that little bit, sort of like you do with strawberries and stuff, but it's so gently holding it in place that it shouldn't damage it. Just making sure that the roots go into the water and it sits perfectly like that. And that is all I have done. These are the ones that don't look like lettuce, but they are lettuce. And these ones here have already started perking up, and it's only been about an hour or so. How cool is that? So I've only used little elbows on this. If you don't have a giant fish room filled with hundreds and hundreds of fish, all you really need is a pond or something like a tub. Because aquaponics, the plants feed off the phosphates and nitrates that the fish produce. Just want to make sure your pH is balanced. You've got a lot of filtration to break down all the ammonia that the fish produce. And we have a lot of fish in these systems. There's some down there, if you can kind of see them. There's a fish, there's another fish. They all produce their chemical waste, which is ammonia, the bacteria in the filters, and I've got filtration in this tub as well as filters in the back of underneath all these plants and stuff like that. The bacteria breaks down the ammonia to nitrite, the nitrite to nitrate. You also get some phosphates and other chemicals build up, which is what's going to be feeding our plants. So I've just got a simple overflow system on this tank here. So the water is pumping from our sump up into here. It is actually going through an overflow here, just dodgily squished in there, and there is our water, and our water's going all the way gently down here into our end pipe, and then it's just trickling down right there. That is it. So you could do this on a smaller scale. Obviously, if you haven't seen my last video on the aquaponic stuff, that is a lot smaller scale than this. I could easily have another one of these behind it, I'm pretty sure, running all the way along here. And I can just do like a little elbow, so the water goes all the way along, and then back into the sump. So all these ponds are connected to each other. As I said, they're just getting pumped in and through. It's mostly a system for fish because this is my fish room, but we want to grow lettuce. So we have fish, we have lettuce, we have fish. Everything is working really well. I am very impressed with how easy it is to do this. So I've actually just brought one of those random eBay aquaponics systems that hold like 72 plants or something. That's going to be my next video. I'm going to rig that up to a stingray pool. So we're going to have stingrays produce, hopefully, what are they? Strawberry plants. All going well. So I just need to get another 70 strawberry plants, and I'm going to rig that up to the stingray system. Yes, stingrays are going to feed our strawberries. Is that the weirdest thing you've ever heard in a video? How cool is that? We've got a giant storm thing happening at the moment. Oh, I did actually have too much lettuce for my gutter as well. So around here where all my mess is, oh look, this is technically aquaponics. I have black rice in a pot. I have filtration, big ass catfish in there, huge Murray cod in there. Lots of little baby fish in here. Come here. There they are. Aren't they lovely? So I've just used some of these little clay balls as media, and I've got the extra lettuce sitting in here until I know what I'm going to do with them. This system unfortunately gets a little bit of rain when it rains, obviously. So as the rain floods these two, the water level on this rises. So that's probably going to kill my lettuce in the first storm. So hopefully my other aquaponic system will turn up and I can use those lettuce in that system. And I've jumped again to outside. This is the strawberry setup. Look at that. It is going awesomely, swimmingly. We've even got little strawberry flowers. That is the smallest strawberry flower. That one's a little bit mingy, but it's coming good. Yeah, they've all perked up. This is a week later after I've made this system. If you haven't seen the video, it's solar powered, pumping the water from this pool up the top in the same sort of gutter as we use, with just some different fittings. And our Coke bottle is working perfectly. Look at that. So good. But anyway, I'm going to quickly show you some new awesome trees that I've got. And if you haven't seen this before, have a look at some of my other videos and I go through how crazy we've got in the last few months. This is one of our new trees, loquat. I don't know what a loquat is, but I like the leaves. Look how nice the leaves are. Apparently turns into a massive fruit tree. Obviously has little fruity things like that. Wonder how big it gets. I don't know. I don't really mind. Oh look, only 2 to 6 meters tall. Native of China and Japan. China and Japan? That's interesting. And I think I got 2 actually. So that one was, I did get 2. That one was honeydew. This one is, oh goodness, something. So that's that one. Well, this one's 5 to 7 meters. Yeah, they look the same, but they're nice. So those 2 new ones. I do need to get a whole lot more dirt, as I keep saying in every garden video. I have ordered it, so it is hopefully turning up this week. I got another finger lime. This is a red champagne finger lime. Ooh-ah. And check out the finger limes. Now, they are not red. They are nothing like red. I don't think they're even going to turn red. I don't even know if they're ready. Ready. Oh, I think they are. Okay, I'm pulling one off. Okay, not sure. But I think if we just... Hold on, I'm going to use both hands for this and break it in half. Okay, I had to cut it. Yeah, maybe not ready. Maybe it is ready. I have no idea. Ready? It's not red. Look at the weird little limey bits. Interesting. It's sticky and smells like lime. So, not entirely sure what you do with those. Probably just eat them, but we got another finger lime. I think I might get all the different colours now. I think I did order a purple one as well. So, finger lime, sticky finger lime. I did also get, check out that. Is that ridiculous? That is massive. Again, another fruit tree. Gets very, very huge, as you can see right there. That is a pomelo? That is a pomelo. Like an orange, not an orange. Apparently they either taste disgusting or they're awesome, depending on who you talk to. So I need to pot that up because look at the tiny little pot that it is in. I know, my mate said that they will be fine in the pot forever, but put them in a bigger pot and they grow better. So it's going in a bigger pot. I did get this. How cool is that? That is that. I know, it was expensive, but it's a lychee. Lychee. It is a lychee plant. Lychee plant? Lychee tree. That is what it is. I think they get stupidly big as well. Oh, 2.5 meters. So that is not that big. That is good. So that is going to obviously go into another pot as well. I know, I'm not running out of room yet. I'm close in this little section, but I still have to do all the other side of it as well. I got a tea tree. Look at that. And did you know that green and normal tea, or it's called black tea, isn't it? Normal tea for hair. Green and black tea are from the same plant. So black tea, you dry the leaf. Green tea, apparently you don't. Weird. But that is a tea tree. I don't think they get that big, do they? You'd think I would know all this stuff, but I don't. Oh, leaves, blah, 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 condition, blah, blah, blah. No, it doesn't tell me, but I'm pretty sure they don't get overly huge. But we're going to pop that up anyway. But that was some new plants. I'm pretty sure that's all I got. Yep, 2 of those, 1 of those, 1 of those, 1 of those, and 1 of those. That was enough. Oh, check that out. Those are those weird limes. Very cool. They're actually growing. How good is that? So we will have our first fruit soon, and that's some sort of lemon. It's starting to turn into a lemon already. So all the people that said it would take 100 years to grow fruit, no. Oh, talking about growing fruit, there is some caterpillar poo. I must find where that caterpillar has gone. Let's jump back to the aquaponics now that you've seen all these wonderful new plants. I'll have to do another video just for these, won't I? And it is just so much fun, isn't it? So can't wait to actually do more now. If you reckon I should do another row of this there, tell me in the comments. I'm not too sure how big lettuce get. I have no idea. Is that the dumbest thing you've ever heard? I probably don't have enough room between these, but looking at other systems, they seem to have a gap that much. So just copying what other people do and hoping for the best. That's all anyone can really do. But if you did enjoy this video, click the thumbs up so I know. In the next video, I'm definitely going to hook up that aquaponic system that's hopefully turning up soon to the Stingray pools. Yeah, we're going to have stingrays producing fruit to eat. That is the weirdest thing. Do these videos just keep getting weirder? I'm not entirely sure. There's the groper lurking through there. Yep, that is a big marine groper that's going to get a lot bigger than what you see. Anyway, if you did like this video, as I said, click the thumbs up. We will see you in the next video. If you want to watch more stuff like this, yeah, there'll be things on the screen. And if you like fish and stuff like that, and you want to see some of my fish videos, there's a link to my other channel somewhere on my page. So click the link, have a look at all the fish videos. You'll see lots and lots of cool stuff. We will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.